How do you defy self-sacrifice? Well, if you don't know, let me give it to you. The giving up of your own interests or wishes in order to help others or to advance a cause. Certain situations might push us to this conclusion about our lives. When you come to this realization, there can't be any excuses, no fears, no reservation, only acceptance of the path that God has chosen for you. For me, I choose this path no matter the outcome. In the shadows over my life, God has blessed me with many of gifts. And now I'm faced with a challenge I don't know if I'm going to make it back from. But if my faith is to burn in the fire, you better believe I'm going out with all the smoke. By showing the world that redemption is in reach for all of us, no matter what the fuck we face.